Yeah, hi. I'd just like to introduce myself. I'm Gary Bankes-Fay, the National Service Manager of STG Global. With over 30 years of service manager experience, I think honesty and integrity is key. If people ring up, I will pick up the phone. If we have a problem, sometimes problems arise, but you'll get honesty from me and you'll get a clear outcome. If I say I'll do something, I will do it for you. STG Global service covers a wide range of products, and we offer a broad base of services. And that includes workshop facilities, workshop capabilities, and good spare parts support. And we're working tirelessly to get that stock on hand within each state, so customers have readily available parts, and it reduces downtime. The representation from STG Service is Australia-wide. We cover all major cities, so we can come to customer sites. The preference is sometimes the bigger jobs we would have within the workshops, but more so just breakdown scenarios we can run into the field and support customers at their sites or where the units are working. Basically, STG have got an online portal, so the service on the internet, you go through to a service tab, click the tab, and it gives you a full run through of contacts via phone number, or you can book via email, or you can directly call us. Well, firstly, preventive maintenance, it has to be maintained for uptime of vehicles. People understand if they maintain assets, they're reliable. If you tend not to, then they tend to break down. But for us, we offer a full range of contract maintenance and on-site service capabilities. To extend the life of the truck, I would fall in line with all the preventive maintenance schedules. Routine maintenance, daily checks, make sure that their drivers are greasing points that should be greased. Again, they're all outlined in the manuals. Basically, around preventive maintenance, on the proposal, there's usually an outline of additional contract maintenance that customers can buy. That aligns to a 250 hour, 500, 750 and onwards service intervals. We also provide that on call through the manuals, and it outlines to the customers if they choose to do their maintenance themselves. STG Service have just aligned all the HDV products service schedules costing. We've aligned that to be more competitive within the market. Go onto the website portal, go into spare parts. You can see the brochures, and it fully outlines what works we carry out and full costs. Customer service and confidence is paramount. If we provide good service and they have confidence that we're going to provide the service and back our product, then that falls hand in hand with selling more pieces of equipment. I think with James coming on board as the CEO, there's a massive improvement and support in regards to building the service division to provide reliability to customers and build confidence with customers.